Hello guys, welcome back to Salesforce Anytime channel. Today I was trying to insert few records using Salesforce Workbench tool, online tool, but then I got this error which says Workbench almost exhausted all its memory after only processing 0 rows of data. It gives some kind of instructions when performing large data load. It is recommended to use a zipped request, and then actually it's asking us to do a zip request using request.txt file, renaming the CSV file into request.txt file and zip it, and then try it again, loading again. But I have not tried this. I don't think this is going to work because my file was not anyways a big file. For example, for the testing purposes I used a very small file. You can see it here. I had only 6 accounts here which I wanted to insert, but then again with those accounts also I got this error. So I don't think it's related to the file size, and I tried with some of the other operations also, like upsert and update, and all of those are giving me the same error actually. So what could we do about this, right? So are there any alternatives? So yes, so I'm going to talk about one of the alternatives what we have available today, similar to Workbench. We can actually log into PackMagic's tool here, which is kind of online tool which you can open in any browser. I'm going to use my developer edition org here. It's going to ask me to allow access, so I'm going to do that. So once it is open, it will show you the home page, and if you have to scroll down to the bottom of it to check for the data insert operation. So there are actually 4 operations this this tool gives you: data insert, data update, data upsert, and data delete. So if you want to perform any kind of these DMLs, then you could use this tool. So I'm going to show you how you can do the data insert. So let's click on this data insert. So here we got to select the object name, which is obviously I have account for now. And good thing about this is you can select the mode in which you want to perform the operation of data insert. So by default it's parallel, but if you want serial, then you can select it here as serial. So but this will matter only if you have more than more than the batch size of records. So right now I have only 6 records, so even though I give serial or parallel, it's not going to matter because the batch size is 2000 here. You can reduce the batch size if you want to, depending on whatever your requirements are, but I'm going to keep it parallel for now, which was the default option. And then I'm going to select the file. Let me see, where is my file? Yeah, this one, I guess. See, yeah, this one. So that was account insert file I had. So I actually put 6 accounts in it. So good thing about this is it is going to show you the preview sample data of your file. So in case you have more number of records, you could see always see the top records and the column headers, so that you don't mistakenly upload any wrong file. So once you have done that, just go and click on map fields. So it will try to map the fields automatically if you have the API names in the CSV. So yes, so we got the API names mapped automatically. In case you don't have any matches for a given field, just type it here and find the actual API name of the field. So I got all the fields here, and then once you are ready to start the insert, then you can click on the insert records. If you want to save your mappings, just click on download as CSV to save your mappings. So I'm going to click on insert records and see what happens. So it will take a minute. Yep, so it has created a job internally, which is a bulk job in Salesforce, and you can see the ID here, and whatever number of batches it would create, it will display it here. So we have got one batch here of 6 records, and you can see the records failed are 0 and the records processed are 6. So if you want to see any failure or success results, just select the batches which are successful and then click on download selected batch results. So this will download the batch results, and I'm going to open it here in LibreOffice because I'm using Linux, but in your case you can open it in Excel. So good thing about this logging is that you can see first 4 columns are the actual success or failure messages. So you can see there are no errors for our records what we inserted. So we got all 6 records got inserted, and also you can see those are mapped with the input data you gave. So that's a good thing because Workbench did not map it automatically. You had to map it yourselves whenever you got the results of bulk API from Workbench. So this is a good thing. So now you are able to insert those records using this tool. And similarly you could use other features also, for example the record updates and then record upsert and record delete. So only difference is that in case of update you would always need to provide Salesforce ID, and in case of upsert you have to provide the external ID on which you want to do the operation, the upsert operation, and in delete as well you have to provide the Salesforce ID. So this is what I want to talk about this video. If you have any questions, comments, any feedback, please post in the comments area of this video. And just wanted to show you that there's a export data export feature also here, which will help you to run any SOQL, so which I already covered in another video, but just let me know any other feedbacks in this comments area. Thank you very much. Bye.